It all begins in the earth with the rawest form of silicon, high-purity silica sand. Tons of raw quartz are extracted, starting the journey to microscopic complexity. From the pit, the material moves toward its first critical transformation.
Initial size reduction is essential, breaking the raw quartz for chemical processing.
A strategic inventory of crushed quartz ensures a continuous processing flow. Inside this structure, extreme energy will unleash the silicon from its oxygen bonds. A precise mixture of carbon and silica is prepared, crucial for the reduction reaction.
Megaamps of current will create temperatures exceeding 3,000 degrees Celsius.
Under this extreme energy, oxygen is stripped away, yielding metallurgical grade silicon.
The liquid silicon, still impure, is tapped from the furnace, glowing with radiant
This
heat.
metallurgical grade silicon is now approximately 98% pure.
It is cast into large beds to solidify, a crucial step in preparing the MgSi for further refinement. Water quenching accelerates the cooling process and fractures the large sheets. The fractured metallurgical grade silicon must now be prepared for chemical processing. The material is ground into an ultra-fine powder, maximizing surface area for subsequent chemical reactions.
Strategic storage of refined silicon powder supports the continuous flow of the high-purity chemical process.
This pulverized silicon powder is now transformed into a reactive gas.
In a series of complex chemical steps, trichlorocyanide gas is generated, refined, and made ready for deposition.
The foundation is set. Subscribe and join us in Phase 2 as we forge this raw power into flawless silicon wafers.